Alright, we're back. Here we go. Box 9. My own personal case of '09 Ultimate Collection Baseball. Box number 9. Just hit a really nasty inscription card. Number 8, Cal Ripken Jr. That basically made my night. So, I hope I get a couple other nasty cards after that, but that card is fucking sick. Alright, here we go. Thin for the win. We got a thin pack. Got an auto in here. We got a rookie card of Elvis Andrus. Adam Jones base. Prince Fielder.
This one, we wanted to win.
Jumbo jersey auto. Oh, damn, I already have this card. Well, now I gotta sell one. I got this last time we did a break. I ended up getting the Yankees, and I got this exact card. 16/40, very nice. On jersey auto of Whitey Ford. 16 out of 40. Whitey Ford on jersey auto. So now, alright, box 9. No, box 10. Oh my gosh, I'm getting close to the end. It's scary. Box 10. Box 10. Oh my, I'm getting close to the end. I can't get this one out. There it is. Another thin one. I still haven't hit a rookie yet, huh? I haven't hit a rookie yet. I'm due to hit at least. I'm supposed to get 2 rookies per case. So I'm due to hit a rookie. Oh, I'm only hoping that I don't get. I mean, the kid from the Cardinals is pretty good. I don't want his rookie auto. I'll go Nick Talley or Beckham. I just don't want the kid from the Cardinals. All right, Andrew McCutchen, rookie. Cliff Lee, base. Lance Berkman, base, and Orioles. Orioles. What is that? Tim Raines? Really? Tim Raines on the Orioles. Tim Raines. Legendary signatures numbered 4 of 8. Numbered 8. Tim Raines on the fucking Orioles. I didn't even know he ever played for the Orioles. Alright, box 11. Here's box 11. Box number 11. Come on, Ultimate. Do me good. Do me fucking good. I deserve to be done good. I'm just saying, Upper Deck. For all I do for you, Upper Deck, you pieces of shit. You owe me. Alright, here we go. Another thin one, autograph. Fuck, Tim Raines on the Orioles, really? He's number 8. Number 8, low number. Price up $15. $15 for that Tim Raines, auto number 8. Alright, we got Dexter Fowler. It's a good rookie card. Brian McCann, base. Manny Ramirez, base. And Ultimate Rookie. Ooh, it's blue. I think blue is like a low number. Ultimate Rookie signatures blue. Koji, it's Koji. Number to 25, very nice. 5 of 25. Number to 25, Koji Uehara. Rookie auto. Number to 25, that's pretty nice. The number to 25. I've only got one ultimate patch so far, huh? Damn, I'd like to get another patch. But I really want this stuff. Some of those patches are so sick. I'd like to get another one. It's thin. Another thin one. Another thin one, no patch. Alright. Kobe. Oh yeah, Bud Norris autograph, rookie, Astros, Hanley Ramirez base. Oh fuck, sick, fucking sick. My second one of the night. I got one in the break earlier. Very nice. Career highlight signatures, 27 of 30. On card auto, Ken Griffey Jr. Ken Griffey Jr. on card auto number to 30. Fucking can't be disappointed with that. Pretty fucking sick. Alright, YouTube. This is the last 3 boxes of my 15-box case personal break of Ultimate Collection Baseball. Come on, last 3. Give me some mojo in the last 3. Come on, baby. Thin one. Again, I'm looking for one more rookie auto. I got the Uehara number to 25. I do not want Rasmus. No fucking Rasmus. Don't give me Colby Rasmus. You sons of bitches. Do not give me Colby Rasmus. Give me Wieters or Beckham if you're gonna give me a rookie. I got Sean West rookie. Clayton Kershaw base. Steven Drew and an ultimate rookie. Another one, a blue one. So this is another one number to 25. Oh shit. Got a Braves hat on. Got a Braves hat on. There's only one rookie for the Braves. There's only one rookie for the Braves. Number to 25. Number to 25. Oh, number to 15. Holy shit. 10 of 15. Tommy Hanson. 10 of 15. Sick. Fucking sick. 10 of 15. Tommy Hanson. And then fuck Colby Rasmus when it comes to Ultimate Collection. Alright, last two boxes. Here we go. Last two boxes. I'm due for another Ultimate patch. I've only got one Ultimate patch so far. I mean, pretty solid case. I can't complain. Pretty nice case overall. I cannot complain one bit. And McGlade broke again. I think this is a little fatter than normal. So either a jersey auto or a bat barrel. Or a non-auto jersey, which would suck. Or a non-auto bat barrel. No, it's patch. It's patch. It is a patch. Come on, give me something sick. Give me a dirty patch. Give me like some fucking... Ugh! Alright, we got a Ryan Perry rookie. Cole Hamels base. Todd Helton base. And the patch is... Do it. Fucking do it. Fucking do it. That is fucking sick. I don't even know. I can't even see the whole thing. All I know is it's fucking Michael Jack, bitches. It's fucking Michael Jack. Give me some Michael Jack jumbo fucking patch. Sick. Fucking A right. That's PC, bitches. That is nice. I don't care what it looks like. Jumbo. Two-color patch and jersey with a pinstripe. 34 of 35 of Mike Schmidt. That is fucking big-time PC. That is sick. That is fucking sick. I am all over that. I love that card. Get started up. My blade is broken. This is the last box. Box 15. Let me fix my blade. Hell yes. Give me a Michael Jack Jumbo. Sickness. Alright, here we go. Box 15. Didn't cut too well. Come on. There it is. Last box. Last box of the case. Last box of the case. What do we got? What do we got to finish her off? Come on. Let's finish good. Let's finish strong. Let us finish strong. It's fat. It's a big one. It's a big one. Fatty to finish. There we go. Last one. Patch. No, not in plastic. It's a patch. Fatty to finish. Fatty to finish. Oh, what's it gonna be? We got Julius Chachin, rookie. A Grady Sizemore base. Alex Rodriguez base. And an ultimate patch. So it's a big patch. Ultimate patch. I see a lot of breaks. A lot of colors. It's an M. Ryan Zimmerman. Ryan Zimmerman, pretty much the full letter M. 14 of 35. Ryan Zimmerman jumbo patch, the full M. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Peace.